Okay, so here's what we're going to need to do our project. Sorry about the wind background noise, but we're out here in the field. We're going to need a very, very cheap ratchet strap system here. You get this for about 20 bucks on Amazon. One pulley, a strap rope or a strap ratchet. You get that pretty cheap too. You can need your wrench of choice and a couple lag screws. I've got a 3-inch lag screw here and a 1.5-inch lag screw. And you want a spare piece of pressure treated lumber, a 2x6, and I just had this laying around. Okay, so the first step is to take your camo ratchet and basically just loop it over a branch that's about 8 feet tall. I'm using a ladder here. And my objective here is to have this hook part of the ratchet strap available to put the pulley on. Alternatively, you could just use some sort of hook that you screw into the tree, but I had this extra strap laying around as part of a ratchet system, so I used the hook end and looped it around this branch, and I dealt with the excessive amount of strap by just wrapping it around the tree a couple of times. So the next step is to secure the pressure-treated board to the tree. I'm putting this very low because it's actually in a shooting lane and I don't want it to obstruct my shot if a deer comes in. I put a couple of temporary 2.5-inch screws to stabilize the board to the tree so that I could put my lag screws in. After I do the temporary screws, I will drill some pilot holes with a drill bit to allow easy insertion of the lag screws. Now simply take a hand ratchet and turn your lag screws into the pressure treated board and on into the tree. This will take a little bit of muscle, and I was a bit sore the next day after doing this because it really is a good workout. I put a total of 3 lag screws in that were 3 inches long. Next, simply secure the ratchet system to the end of the 2x8 pressure treated board. This is a ratchet system that's designed for a boat and trailer system, so it already has some nice holes pre-drilled into the steel. I used the 1.5-inch lag screws through those holes. I used 3 of them. So you can see there's a little lever on here. This is where it pulls out. Like that, and then if you flip the lever back, then you would crank it. You'd crank it in like this. Okay, so we're going to run this now up the tree. The only reason why I'm putting this camo 1-inch strap through the pulley instead of using the black strap that's already attached to the ratchet is that the black strap is too wide and won't fit into my pulley. If you had a pulley of the correct size, you could use the black strap directly and not do this extra step. Now I simply take the black strap that comes with the ratchet system and clip it on to this other hook that's part of the camo strap. And now I have a complete system. So I just put another end of a ratchet on there because it's got a nice hook on it. You don't need to do this, obviously, but I just find it convenient because I had this extra strap laying around. And the reason why I'm using this 1-inch strap is because my pulley is 1 inch width, and this black part that comes with the boat winch is too big to go through the pulley. If you got a big enough pulley, you'd probably be fine to just go straight with the black. Ta-da! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! All right, then you bring your truck back in here, and then you just kind of lower this back in the truck. You put this lever,